Hello, my name is Noemi Espinosa, and I will be talking a little about early literacy skill assessments. Early literacy skill assessments are very important, whether they be informal, diagnostic, screening, or progress monitoring. Early literacy skills can allow us to create intervention groups. They allow us to make intervention decisions, whether they be in small intervention or in whole class interventions. It is very important that we are consistently collecting data and progress monitoring our students. Progress monitoring allows us to see where our students are making growth and where they are having trouble. And we know that students that are in the younger grades that are having trouble with early literacy skills will most likely have trouble with reading in the upper grades. This is why it is so important that we can track and collect data early on and support those students with these interventions that are set in place, so that as they progress, that they can actually become more and more successful versus just moving on and just having more and more trouble. There are different early literacy skills that can help us measure where our students are and how they are performing. Some of these assessments that I find very successful, even for those upper grades, are SIPs and Benchmark Advance. These allow us to collect informal and formal diagnostic. They allow us to screen our students, and they allow us to place our students in specific areas or groups that can support their needs. Some of the strengths of these assessments are that they are very clear, and after these assessments, we will have very clear information on how we can support our students and where they specifically need our support. Some of the weaknesses that I have found is that sometimes after a specific amount of errors, we have to stop these assessments, and sometimes this does not allow us to have a clear and overall idea of where our students are successful and where they are still having trouble. It is very important that we integrate these assessments into our lesson planning, because these assessments really allow us to monitor our students. So we want to make sure that our students understand the importance of these assessments. They become comfortable, and they are also accountable for their growth, and that they set goals for themselves as well. This is the importance of our early literacy skill assessments.